Welcome, Smart Bazaar presents Women's Wednesday. We are meeting Radhika Gupta, MD and CEO of Edelweiss Mutual Funds. Hi Radhika.
Hello.
Radhika, thank you so much for giving time today to do this. आज बुधवार है and बुधवार हमारे यहाँ जश्न का दिन होता है. It's a celebration of women and we call it Women's Wednesday. So I'm very happy to today be celebrating Women's Wednesday with you. So tell me something, how do you celebrate being a woman?
Oh, that's a nice question. So firstly, I'm super happy to be here. I think I do lots of such conversations, but ऐसे format में, in this kind of place, Women's Wednesday, इतनी बड़ी दुकान में, it's also very new for me. How do you celebrate being a woman? That's a very nice thing. I think you do the small things that make you happy. So it could be like I like to cook. So you cook a meal at home, you know. You do something.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Oh, I love to cook a lot of things. I mean, I love to bake. I used to run a restaurant in college.
Oh.
I love to make Italian food. मेरे पापा 3 साल इटली में रहे थे जब वो काम कर रहे थे. I love to make Indian also. Love to look up different recipes. आजकल मेरा बेटा 2.5 साल का है. So like every mother, I am grappling with उसे ढंग का खाना कैसे खिलाएं, healthy कैसे खिलाएं और थोड़ा सा मज़ेदार कैसे खिलाएं. So this is my current project. So
हमारे shoppers भी largely they are all, you know, trying many different dishes.
Correct.
And what we do here, of course, we sell, as you know, at Smart Bazaar we sell just about everything, every vegetable, every fruit. It's a largish store. घर का सब सामान मिलता है यहाँ पे. And what we do on Wednesdays really is not just shop with them, but we also play along. So we play games on a Wednesday.
Very
we
nice.
do some singing competition or any hidden talent that any woman has and wants to talk about that. Tell me, cooking is your passion, but other than that, are there any hidden talents which the world doesn't know of yet?
Oh, I don't know if world doesn't know of, but well, world knows lots of things now. I'm glad I don't come on Wednesday because मुझे गाना बिल्कुल नहीं आता. I sing like a frog, so your whole Smart Bazaar would run away. But I like to write. मुझे उर्दू पोएट्री पढ़ने का भी काफ़ी शौक है. लिखती मैं कम हूँ now that I don't have time. मैं गाने भी बहुत सुनती हूँ, लेकिन आमतौर से लोग they listen to songs for the songs. I listen to songs for the lyrics. That's how much I love lyrics. So I have this strange obsession with lyrics.
When we do store announcements, तो हम कुछ काफिया बांधने की कोशिश करते हैं. We try and do some poetry, but largely.
So you do शायरी in the store announcement?
We do some, fun elements just to make the announcements a little interesting. On Wednesdays, we do many things. जैसे कि वो लोग, they will help each other and they will tell some tips around कि they also tell each other कि कौन सा product आज अच्छा डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा है.
Yeah, but that's the amazing thing about women. I mean, I'm very curious. I don't hang out in stores. I think women help each other, right?
Yeah.
So even if I am going somewhere or मेरे जैसे teeth में lipstick लग जाती है, some girl will always tell me, something's wrong. Or if you're going to a, जैसे यहाँ कपड़े रखे हैं, if I'm going to a store and I'm trying something on, some lady will tell me आप अच्छा लग रहा है या इतना सूट नहीं कर रहा. So do shoppers do that? Do women do that?
Yeah, absolutely. I think all the time आँखों ही आँखों में बात हो जाती है actually कई बारी. And it's fun to just be able to do that. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो वो स्मार्ट बाज़ार से उन्हें मिलता है which they appreciate. They talk to me about what they find good about Smart Bazaar. They say that we feel at home.
Yeah.
And this is our space. We feel at home. We shop. We save. It's like, having a kitty party in the store.
Yeah. How long do they spend in the store?
So they spend like, on a shopping trip, they would spend anything between 30 to 45 minutes.
That's quite a bit
during
of time.
that's a lot
And then
of
they
time.
save some money and hopefully people like us will help them do something with the
Yeah,
money. But they save
so
money.
when they come in, they also come in now with each, like, women shoppers usually come with some family friend or some friend of theirs or sister or daughter or like that, and they all have fun. And while they save, जैसे किटी पार्टी में they do this. मेरी मॉम भी करती थी पहले कि हर महीने कुछ किटी पार्टी करी, उसमें सेविंग्स करा और जब उनका नंबर आया she would get like a lump sum amount and then she'll shop for something, mixer, juicer or something. So आज भी हम ऐसे ही what women do here is that they save. जैसे यहाँ पे डिटर्जेंट अगर खरीदा तो उसमें 100 रुपए की बचत हो गई. So then they will jodo that, they'll put it in the gullak or they'll put it somewhere, and then they'll keep planning छोटी-छोटी खुशियाँ, small things that they can buy either at the end of a few months. So आप तो finance field से हैं, maybe you can give us some advice on how we can make or maximize, you know, every rupee, every 100 rupee that we save at
See,
Smart
actually,
Bazaar.
you know, even before giving any advice, you know, one of the things, 2-3 very interesting things you said. एक तो women के लिए communities are very important. You know,
Yeah.
naturally, what you said ना कि आँखों ही आँखों में there is a sense of community. Whether it comes to shopping, whether it comes to saving, we find this even in money conversations. When more women get together, there's a sense of unspoken comfort, community, sisterhood कह लीजिए. दूसरा the thing that you said ना कि हम शायद बड़ी बड़ी स्टॉक्स की बातें या फाइनेंस की बातें लोगों को लगता है विमेन करती नहीं है, बट इनहेरेंटली हम सेविंग्स बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, छोटी छोटी सेविंग्स की आदत. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल विमेन who get nervous with money that you don't need to get nervous because घर की माएँ बहनें दादियाँ नानियाँ they are the best savers. I mean you see
Actually,
it
घर
in
का
a
बजट वही चलाती
घर
है.
की CFO वही होती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
बस हम जैसे लोगों को वो थोड़ा सा ये है कि वो पहले गुल्लक में पैसे बचाती थी, तो व्हेन यू सेव इट इन अ गुल्लक, तो गुल्लक इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू. अगर आप 100 रुपए बचाते हैं तो वो 100 ही
रह
होते
जाते
हैं. When you give it to people like us, अगर आप 100 रुपए से या 250 रुपए से छोटी सी SIP शुरू कर लेंगे तो वो 100 भी काम करेंगे. एंड women are such hard working people यार.
So you're saying make the money also work
Make
hard
the
for
money
you.
also work because you work very hard. Women work very hard. Yeah, whether it's a housewife or a working woman or a mother, we work very hard, and sometimes other people also need to work around us, including money.
Yeah, I think making money work hard is a brilliant idea, and I'm sure our shoppers will benefit from that. आप बताइए कि other than finance management, because actually finance management हम सबसे पहले सीखते हैं अपनी मॉम से.
Correct.
क्योंकि वो you know घर का बजट चलाती
Yeah.
हैं. She tells you how to save and
Yes.
you get into that whole rhythm. आजकल तो देश भी like you know हमारी finance minister ही women. Obviously, I feel that I think women run a lot of things and therefore they work hard. But fun के लिए भी I think everybody loves to have fun.
Yeah.
And they should find time and enjoy
Yeah.
it.
And in fact, I think that women are often guilty of doing सबके लिए सब कुछ करती हैं. We do so much for our own homes, for our children. My own personal goal when I turned 40 and my mother told me this is, अब तो बहुत मेहनत कर ली है, but you have to enjoy the dividends of your effort. And it's true, whether you are again a housewife, whether you know you are a CEO, you work very hard. जो आपने बचाया है, जो करा है, enjoy, find time for yourself. Even if it's like browsing a section in a store where आपको कुछ खरीदना नहीं है, say यहाँ I like coffee, I'm sure there's a coffee section here. Even if you just want to just walk the aisle and smell the coffee,
Yeah.
and that makes you have 5 minutes of happiness now, do that. Take time out for your own happiness. I think women don't do it enough.
I think taking time out for your own happiness is fantastic. And इसी बात पे हम आपके साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे.
Oh God.
And it will be like a small rapid fire round of your likes and
Okay.
dislikes. मतलब आप अगर आप आंख बंद करके कोई मोमेंट याद करेंगी जब आप बहुत खुश थी, तो बताइए.
It's usually when I'm on a holiday with my family because I feel जिंदगी का सब कुछ तब साथ आता है. I have the 3-4 people, my parents, husband, son, together. We are a little away from work और जो इतना सब कुछ कमाया है, जोड़ा है, वो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So usually it tends to be something like that.
Awesome. Radhika, what is your favorite fruit?
What's my favorite fruit? It's mango. It's undisputably and undoubtedly.
Are you from Mumbai?
I'm not from Mumbai. I'm from UP, and in my family there's
यूपी
always.
में मेरा ससुराल है.
अच्छा, so there's always मेरा, I mean, Bombay or Goa ससुराल है, but there's always been a debate about the hafus versus the langda aam and all that. But mangoes are the reason why summer is good.
Fantastic. Your favorite attire?
My favorite attire is sari. Today I'm not wearing a sari
I'm
because
really
it's a-
surprised.
Today is a holiday and I was like, I'm coming to Smart Bazaar, so let's do
Oh, very
something
nice.
different.
Are you keeping the Shivratri Vrat?
I am not. I don't do very well with. I'm working today, so
When you're traveling alone for work or for otherwise, would you prefer to take a handbag or a purse or a backpack?
oh, handbag. I don't understand
Handbag?
backpacks. I don't-
Uncomfortable.
Yeah, yeah.
Not made for women.
I
Right?
feel like they can like attack someone behind because you're walking and I'm very clumsy. So no.
Yeah. Acha, tell me, if you had to give any advice to a woman that she should do for finding her own self.
One is don't worry so much about what people say about you because everyone judges women and it's really not necessary. And second, don't outsource all this money stuff to men. You're smarter.
खुद ही पैसे बनाओ, खुद ही पैसे
खुद ही
बचाओ और
पैसे
खुद ही
बनाओ,
पैसे बढ़ाओ.
बढ़ाओ सब खुद करो.
वेरी नाइस. कुछ पागलपन वाली एक्टिविटी करनी होगी तो क्या करोगी?
See, right now I have a 2.5-year-old.
हाँ,
So he is walking, talking पागलपन. 2 दिन पहले उसने किसी लड़की से जाके कहा कि तुम will you marry me?
Oh wow,
And
two
then
and a half years.
and then he came to me and said, Mama, you want bahu?
Very nice. बहुत जल्दी.
So this is पागलपन is there daily.
बहुत बढ़िया. आप अपने हेल्थ और फिटनेस के लिए क्या करते हैं?
Okay.
You have a hectic life,
I have
right?
a super hectic life. This is a bad answer. Okay, the one good thing I do is I sleep. I sleep like 7-8 hours a day, despite the chaos in my life. And I eat everything, including sweets and all. But I do a lot of portion control. I don't get the time to do a lot of working out. I do a little bit, but not as much as I should. But I do run after a 2.5-year-old in all these play gyms, so that kind of balances. But I sleep well and I eat in moderate proportion.
आपका शॉपिंग का गिल्ट प्लेजर क्या है?
Fancy handbags, expensive coffee and expensive cheese.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत अच्छा लगा राधिका आपसे बात करके. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग इट टू स्मार्ट बाजार वुमेन्स वेडनेसडे. जश्न का दिन है. आइए शॉप फ्लोर पे घूमते हैं.
Okay,
You
let's
can
go
pick up-
shop.
Let's go shop.
Let's
I
go
think
find
this-
coffee.
Yeah, both.